All right, but this is something to help you out so you don't have to do it yourself. All right, so let's go back to the book, maximize that. All right, so let's go back up because I scrolled down so you guys can see that. All right, so we did WPU guard, done that. Spanish tree, we don't create VLANs. I'm not worried about the VLANs. I'm more worried about the Spanish tree. All right, and the port fast. Now the root guard. Let's take a look at this. The root guard. Root guard is an SCP feature enabled on a port-by-port basis. It prevents a configured port from becoming, let's highlight that, prevents a configured port from becoming a root port. Root guard prevents a downstream switch from becoming a root bridge in your topology. Root guard functions by placing the port in ER disable state. Root guard, here we go. Root guard is enabled with the interface command, blah, blah, blah. Okay, we see the command that we do, Spanish tree root guard. Root guard is placed on designated ports towards other switches that should never become root bridges. You read that again. Root guard is placed on designated ports towards other switches that should never become the root switches. So in this one here, it says in the sample topology, the one that we're using, root guard should be placed on switch 2 G104 towards